A private and secure custom ROM, which we are going to talk about in this video. We are talking about DivestOS. I'm not sure if many of you are aware of this custom ROM. It's available. It's based on lineageos, as a lot of custom ROMs are, like GrapheneOS. We have this DivestOS, we have EOS, and we have CalyxOS. There are many privacy focused custom ROMs available. I made a video already on those ones. So if you want to know more about those custom ROMs, you can check out all the videos are available on our channel. In this one, we're going to talk about DivestOS, which is also one of the custom ROMs available based on lineageos, but having a lot of privacy features, some private features, and as expected, it is not having pixel apps or pixel goodies pre-included. We do not have the Google apps pre-installed. If you want to install, you can do so, but it's totally up to you. As it is based on lineageos, so it's having the Trebuchet launcher pre-installed, which means hidden and protected apps feature, themed icons in app drawer and force, themed icons, etc. Everything is already included in this case. You can go and explore. And the quick settings panel is also in light mode. If you use light mode, you will see the light quick settings panel. If you use dark mode, you will see the dark quick settings panel. By default, in Google's Android, this is not the exact one. We have a dark quick settings panel. It doesn't matter if you use a light mode or dark mode. By the way, if the apps which I'm using right now in this case are not pre-installed, but you can install them very easily from their website. I will give you the link in the description for DivestOS official website, so you can go and explore. And all these apps are recommended by them. There are many more. I just installed some, basically these few apps which I just wanted to let you know. But they have the list of some great open source apps. As this custom ROM is having all the open source apps, as you can see, F-Droid, which is open source hub for all those applications, for open source applications, a hub of open source applications. You can go and explore them. We have some great applications included, the alternatives for everything, almost everything. Gmail alternative, we have Google Drive alternative, we have the option for wallpapers. As you can see, the wallpaper app right now I'm using is MySplash, which is actually an alternative of Unsplash. Resplash is also available, and in Android there are many more options available for you which you can go and explore. In this case, what I'm using is Simple Gallery Pro, which is also an open source Android app. It's a pro version and it's officially free, and this is also included in this case. You can go and install this thing on other devices also if you're using any other custom ROM, because these are some amazing open source apps. I also tried installing some VPN apps in this case. I tried installing Google Maps alternative, which is named as Organic Maps. We have the option for weather. We have the option for almost every kind of things. If you install this custom ROM, you will get to know more about this one, because this is an alternative of lineageos. So if you have used lineageos, you know that how these custom ROMs work. But if you did not use lineageos yet, I will definitely not recommend you to use this one, because if you are a pro user, if you have ever used lineageos custom ROM, then I will recommend you to try it out. One more thing is, if I move on to the settings or move on to the network and internet options, you will notice we have many private DNS options available. These are the options which are not available in many custom ROMs. We have the option for Cloudflare DNS, AdGuard DNS. We have the option for DNSSB, DNS0, Google, and there are many more, including this one. If I move on to the security options, I'll notice we have ignore secure apps spawning feature, which was available in GrapheneOS, enable native code debugging, DNS content blocker, and we have many more options available. Unfortunately, these options are not available in most of the custom ROMs, except some privacy focus like CalyxOS, GrapheneOS, DivestOS. There are many more options available for you. As it is lineageos, so it's so amazing, by the way. Like in lineageos, we have the options in buttons, we have the option in status bar customizations, we have the option for gestures and etc. Same things are available here because it's based on lineageos, of course, and the updates are also exactly like lineageos, and this also supports OTA updates. By the way, in some cases, in some devices, if your device supports that, you can even install this custom ROM and lock the bootloader. It is so amazing. Not every custom ROM gives you the ability, not any custom ROM, by the way, except this one and GrapheneOS, etc. But it's totally up to you if you want to explore this thing or not. Not for a normal user if you're new, but if you are experienced user in custom ROMs, I would definitely recommend you to check it out. Thanks for watching and goodbye.